In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an error occurred tap to retry problem on YouTube. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restart your Wi-Fi router or turn airplane mode on, wait few seconds and turn it off again. Sometimes the error appears simply because connection is unstable. Next, clear the cache often fixes this issue. So open settings, apps and find YouTube and clear and tap on storage and clear cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your video or account. So older versions of the app can cause unexpected errors. So open Google Play Store or App Store, search for YouTube and update the app. A simple restart can reset background processes and fix the error instantly. Just hold the power button and restart your phone. If the issue continues, you need to open the YouTube app, tap your profile icon and tap sign out. Sign back in to your account. If nothing else works, you need to reset network settings. So go to settings, tap general management or system, tap reset, select reset network settings, and this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords or reconnect afterwards. Finally, you need to uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app. This gives you fresh files and usually fixes the error completely. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.